This morning I am doing a tasting on Tung Ting, and here is what the dry leaf looks like. It's a semi-bald oolong. I do find, as you can see up there, a few sticks in it, which sometimes I personally evaluate as not as good of quality. I could be wrong. They're kind of more filler to me, but maybe they contribute to the taste because I have found some stick teas that are my favorite teas. So maybe it's a quality of the combination of the taste. I'm still learning about teas and having thought processes. But what I love about this tea is that it quickly turns from semi-bald into these leaves. Now they're not totally whole leaves, but they're, you'll see they're kind of broken on the edge there, but they unroll from that, from this to this in the guy one super quickly, and that's just kind of fun to watch. See, look at that. Doesn't that look great? That's one of my favorite things, is seeing those big leaves. It's just a personal thing. And here's the color of the liqueur. It's kind of golden, and then I've noted in all my old pictures that if you look, it's got these little floaties. You can see them in here as well. They're in every cup, and I'm not sure why, and I'm sure they kind of contribute to the taste. But here are my tasting notes. Let me zoom back out a little bit. So I got this particular one from Tea Source. The date of my first tasting, now today, was April 19th, 2020 when I made these notes. I'm going back trying to catch up since I'm just beginning doing videos. This is an oolong. It's from Taiwan, the highest plantation of the Sungpoling region. It's Taiwan's finest green tea. It's semi-bald and plucking of young leaves and buds. And the tea bushes are shaded by groves of areca palm and giant bamboo. And so we have learned, or I have learned, about shading in the past year and how that changes the nutritional value and the taste of the tea. They especially do that a lot in Japan, I've found, in the Japanese teas where they purposefully shade it. So these are naturally shaded. And so this is a photo from my original tasting back in April, and you can see how full that leaf is, and the ridges around the leaf are kind of fun. And you can see my tea leaves have kind of oxidized some since April, so it's best to drink these quickly, because that photo of the dry leaves is actually much better. We have a golden color on the spectrum. Oh my gosh, the smell, even today, the smell of the dry is so good. I usually don't like floral, and this is so subtle and sweet, kind of just lovely, lovely, lovely smell. I really like the smell. And then I put bakery and spice because it's got a toasty smell to it as well. So maybe that's why I like it. I definitely like toasty or roasty smells. And so a combination of those together, it must be really good. Got medium for the body. Astringency is smooth and low, which is important for my taste buds, my personal preference. I have the taste. I have a delicate flower warmed in the sun, gentle toasted flavor. Just like it smells, I guess. Finish of juicy and mouth-watering, and what I keep this on hand, I give it 5 hearts because I would keep this on hand. I do really like this tea. It is a lovely calming tea. There's a photo I just took. There's a photo from April. You can kind of see the difference, and letting your teas go too long before you drink them and not drinking them fresh. So right now I'm trying to go through and drink up all my teas as I do videos. Anyway, I'd love to hear what you think about this tea. Do you like this tea? Is it one of your favorites?